Now for some good news from the rice sector. The first crop is approximately 99% completed. ANARA tells us more.
General Manager of the Guyana Rice Development Board, NIZAM HASSAN, said the harvested paddy production for the first half of 2018 is almost complete.
We've produced 508,000 tons of paddy, which is equivalent to 330,000 tons of rice. And that also equates to almost 100%, just 99% of the land area that was cultivated. 99% has been harvested.
According to Hassan, this satisfies local and international markets. He analyzed the industry's export performance.
Going forward, we see and we know we have adequate supplies for our local consumption and also for our markets that we've tapped into. When we look at the figures comparing to the first half of 2017, we saw firstly that the total volume that has been exported is 290,000 tons, which is 43% more than the 203,000 tons that was exported during the first half of 2017. In terms of the value, $111 million US. That's the value of the export for the first half of 2018 compared to 77 million for the first half of 2017.
In preparation for 2018 second crop, 86,660 hectares of land has been prepared. 76,500 plus hectares have been sown, 86% of the projected tillage. The rice regions are Region 2, Region 3, Region 4, Region 5, Region 6, and Region 9. For InfoHub, ANARA.